Sir, please help me. Sir, please help me. Please help me.
Sir, come back here.
Sir, please, I'm coming. Sir, please help me.
Calm down. What's going on?
So,
help me, sir.
She's my wife. Can you imagine? I gave her simple
Sir, please help me, sir.
Not even carry
Help
out.
me.
Please, just calm down.
Can you imagine? Sir, please help me. Sir, please help me, sir.
Calm down.
You're asking me to calm down. You did not even ask me what she did. And you're already telling me to calm down.
Okay, what did she do?
Can you imagine this woman? I married her with my hard-earned money. I asked her, I gave her 2 eggs, fry one egg and boil one egg. She went and boiled the wrong one and fried the wrong one. Can you imagine?
Is that the reason you want to?
Yes, now. If I get
Sir, please calm down. Take it easy. She's a woman.
So that is okay because she's a woman. That's why she failed to obey my instructions.
No, it's because she's a woman. She's a weak vessel. You need to
weak vessel. This one weak vessel. This one that will beat you hands down.
No, please don't allow you beat me. Sir, please.
This morning, what if you hit her and she collapses and faints?
Yes, sir.
Then what will happen? You go to prison. Please, you are a man. You are a man. You need to learn to control your temper.
Let her not repeat this thing again.
Madam, please, you need to stop provoking your husband.
Okay, sir.
Stop provoking your husband.
Yes, sir.
How can he give you 2 eggs to cook and you fried the wrong one and boiled the wrong one? That is wrong.
It was a mistake, sir.
Yeah, you can't be making such mistakes. You know money is hard to come by.
Okay,
and
sir.
you are wasting his money.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Okay, sir.
The economy is, sir, please. Just take it easy.
It's alright, I've heard you. But just warn her, tell her not to repeat this again.
But you are not going to leave her here now. She needs to go home with you. Are you calm enough for her to go with you?
If not that you said something, or if not that you advised me, if not that you advised me,
really
what I would have done to her.
I appreciate you listening to me, please. Thank you so much.
Come here.
Please.
You will not beat me.
I will not beat you. But don't try this rubbish again.
Okay.
You stop provoking your husband.
Okay,
She has not even said sorry.
I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
Are you sure?
Yes, baby. Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
All right, bye, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Sorry. So much trouble everywhere. Problem everywhere. What's this guy say? Let me call him for let him come in. Wait, my phone was with me and my money. No. It's not in the car now. I didn't leave it in the car. I left the car with it when I was... Wait, you understand?
See the phone.
How about the money?
Hey!
Don't laugh. You know what? Hey, we are made. You know, we are made. Just repeat after me. We are made. The phone.
Yes.
This phone looks so expensive, bro.
It's iPhone, baby.
iPhone? That means we can sell it for 100k.
100 what?
Or more than that.
Baby, you're talking about 700k.
700? Ha! Just keep
Look at you.
This one.
This is iPhone.
Well done. Both of you are not tired of stealing in this area.
Good afternoon, sir.
Huh?
Good afternoon, sir.
How many times have I warned both of you to avoid stealing from people around this environment? You think I didn't see you? Give me that money. Give me the money! Okay, full grown man like you. Look at what you're doing. Full grown up adults. You're here stealing from people. Stealing from people, stealing money from people, stealing their phones. What kind of human beings are you? Husband and wife, conniving to steal from people. No, if you both continue stealing like this, what are you planning to give birth to this environment? You plan to give birth to criminals, armed robbers, kidnappers? Is that what you guys are planning to give birth for us in this environment? What kind of couples are you?
Sorry, sir.
You're sorry?
Yes, sir.
Listen, if this thing happens again, I'll make sure the police pick you people out of this environment.
Okay, sir.
It will not happen again, sir. Sorry, sir. kind of thing is this now? How did they even get to know about this?
I don't know.
This our chairman is so troublesome.
I don't know if this man is a spirit or what.
I don't understand.
Oh my goodness.
Hey!
What happened to my money and my phone?
Excuse me, young man.
Yes.
I'm sorry, my name is Ekuka. I am the chairman of this environment.
Okay.
I'm sure you're looking for your money and your phone.
Yes. Yes. How?
Yeah, the lady and the young man, they actually stole it from you.
The lady and the man that ran to me, like they pretended like they were fighting.
They were not fighting. Both of them are husband and wife. They are not fighting. That's just their normal strategy of stealing from people.
Oh my goodness! I didn't even know.
Now you know. You need to be very careful of this environment, especially people like that. Okay? Anytime you find yourself in this environment, please, you need to be careful. Okay?
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. You said you're the chairman of this?
Yes, I'm the chairman.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
It's safe.
All right, be careful next time.
Thank you.
And the earlier you leave this place, the better for you, okay?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. What would I have done? Someone's money. Hey, God. Oh. Let me get out of here before someone else comes for me. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.